Okay, in today's lesson, I'm going to introduce a couple of concepts, one of them being sub-procedures, and we are going to get the turtle to be controlled by the mouse. So essentially, I don't know whether you know what an Etch-a-Sketch is. We're going to have a go at making an Etch-a-Sketch machine. So we've got this line of code here, graphics window dot key down. Now, the way Small Basic works is basically it says if you press a key whilst the graphics window is open, run this sub procedure. Now, I've put on key down. You can call it whatever you want. But what happens is we then need to make a sub with the same name as that. So this is a section of code from the top sub there to end sub, which will run if somebody presses a key down. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is have a go at looking to see what that key is. So, if graphics window dot last key equals left, then now this structure is an if. You may have used this last year if you did some Small Basic last year. But basically, what we're going to do is if this condition here is true. So if the last key was equal to left, now that means the left arrow on your keyboard, then what I'm going to get to happen is turtle turn, and I will try just turning it 10 degrees. I'll put the negative in there so it turns it to the left. Now, I think up here, better just put the turtle on the screen in the first place. Right, so hopefully if I run that, our turtle should appear on the screen. There you go. And if I press the left key, you can see that he turns or she turns to the left. Okay. What I would like you to do then is, first of all, have a go at extending this. So you'll need another if to see whether the right key was pressed, and then turn it right. Create another if, all inside this sub, by the way, to see if the up key was pressed. If the up key was pressed, move it forwards 10. And if the down key was pressed, move it backwards 10. So that is the first bit of a task. We are then going to extend it. So once you've got that first bit done, what you need to do next then is have a go at seeing if the U key was pressed to lift the pen up, and then the D key to put the pen back down.